Hi guys, hi. Beauty filter engaged. Hello Instagram, am I famous yet? Since the last video, there has been minor improvements because it's a week in between my days off and that's the only time I get stuff done. Me old man fixed this one. He fixed the fucking door frame. So what that included was pulling all this shit here off and then just screwing it back down because it was nailed down, but the nails had come out and had slightly bent. So by screwing it down, that bitch ain't going nowhere. Another thing that's happened is the scary room is no more. We've replaced the light in there. The actual fitting itself was bust, so a new one's gone in, and now there is light, and I can see all these things that I missed when it was dark. So I put the second coat on that one. I've done that one just tonight. I have also done that one. This is with the jointed tape, by the way. I have done the second coat on that one, 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 and I'm yet to do that one because it's right beside death. So hopefully when all this stuff dries, I'll be pretty close to painting, TM. That should be the log line for all these videos. Pretty close to painting every time. But this time it's true. I have prepped the lounge as best I can, just apart from waiting for things to dry. So I've decided to move everything out of here so I can pull up the carpet in anticipation for the painting. Ooh, how exciting. So that's what my floor looks like. Pretty gross, to be honest. There's a bit of paint, I don't know, it's not a spill, but like where they've just, yeah, I don't even know what that is. So that's where the lino goes over, which is cool because what I am gonna do is I'm gonna get this floor majigger. I'll include the real name in the video. And it's going to actually run along parallel to where the carpet's going to go. So it's going to go parallel to these lines in the lino, which would be great because it'll make my OCD go away with that bit. But there's just a whole lot of dust. Like this is just like centuries of dirt. Anyways, I'm done for the night. So through the magic of editing, we're going to appear in tomorrow. Right about now. Ooh. No one cared who I was until I put on the mask.
Oh my god, it's Reno Man 5000.
Yes. Hey guys, it's me, Reno Man 5000, back in the mucks. Breaking some sticks, the sticks of life. So anyway, an update. A lot has happened since last episode. Pretty much the rooms have had their final bits of jointed tape done. And you would notice that these have a little streak on them, eh? A little streak. That is enamel undercoat because we have officially begun painting! Whoa, oh shit! Behind this curtain, quite literally, this is my makeshift door to keep the heat in. This is the first room that's been painted with the first coat of Strauss white. Oh! Doesn't that look better? It's only the first coat, but like, we've gone from basically, like you can see the difference there. So the whole thing's going to be like blue on there, then like whitey grey on there. It looks really grey in this, but I don't know. It's meant to be white, Strauss white, but it just looks grey to me. Oh, it looks kind of white. Depends the kind of light you have in here too, I think. And then complementing with the greyish, bluish carpet. So this has been set to dry, and I've been getting on with tasks with the rest of the bloody place. So it's exciting stuff, it's all happening. I've realized I'm going to need a lot more paint than what I originally thought, which is fine because it's cheap, the stuff that I went for. It's good that the paint's on, because although that is probably the biggest job, it does feel like I'm on sort of the home stretch as far as things are concerned, because once that's on, it's carpet time, and then it's just like fucking move in, mate, fucking crack a cold one. So the goal for tonight, before I go home, even though it is already 10 o'clock at night, is to sand that one back because it's had its second coat. I want to enamel that because it's been sanded, enamel that because it's been sanded, enamel that because it's been sanded, and then going into the second room, I want to second coat that, second coat that, second coat that, second coat that, and then that's pretty much us ready, once I've waited a day for the enamel to set, to get to painting the back room. Oh my god, the back big room. So in typical Renoman fashion, please join me for the next time-lapsing of the enamel painting and everything else you knowing. And that is me for today, boys and girls. It is now 11:15. The room smells like terps, and I am ready to go home. Status is that there's pretty much not much left to do in the lounge, and then I'm probably going to pick up some more paint, as I said, just to finish off getting an even color in here. And I think tomorrow I'm probably going to tackle the hallway of all places. So stay tuned for more Renoman 5000. Go fuck yourself.